Simplenote is a simple yet effective productivity and time management tool, but before deciding if it's right for you, here are 12 things you need to know about it. Compared to other software options, Simplenote offers a streamlined experience, but there are some key considerations to keep in mind before diving in. Next thing, Simplenote is free. That's right, you don't need to pay a penny to access its core features. While other productivity apps like Evernote and Notion have paid tiers with advanced features, Simplenote keeps things simple with a no cost, no strings attached approach. The fourth thing you should know is that Simplenote is incredibly lightweight. Unlike feature-heavy apps like OneNote or Notion, it focuses purely on note-taking. This makes it ideal for people who just need a straightforward tool to jot things down without unnecessary distractions. Moving on, it syncs across devices seamlessly. Whether you're using it on your phone, tablet, or desktop, Simplenote ensures your notes are always up to date across all platforms. If you need cloud syncing, you won't have to worry about losing your data. The sixth thing to keep in mind is its speed. Simplenote is one of the fastest note-taking apps on the market. Unlike some competitors, which can feel bloated and slow, Simplenote has a simple interface that loads quickly and allows you to get to work without delay. Next up, it's open source. If you're into tech or privacy, this might be a big plus. Open source means the code is available to the public, and this can lead to community-driven improvements or customizations you wouldn't get with more closed systems like Evernote. The ninth thing to note is its minimalist design. While apps like Notion and OneNote offer complex templates and layouts, Simplenote keeps it simple with a clean, distraction-free interface. This could be a benefit if you prefer minimalism, but if you need advanced formatting or project management features, this might be a deal breaker. The 10th thing to consider is the lack of rich media support. Unlike Evernote or OneNote, Simplenote doesn't let you embed images or files directly in your notes. So if you rely on rich media for your projects, you might want to look elsewhere. Next, Simplenote is available on multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. If you use a range of devices and prefer cross-platform accessibility, you'll appreciate how Simplenote fits into your ecosystem. The 12th thing you need to know is about its tagging and search capabilities. Simplenote offers basic tagging and a powerful search feature, which helps you organize your notes and find them quickly. While not as advanced as what you get with Evernote or Notion, it's more than enough for users who need simple note management. The 14th thing to note is the lack of collaboration features. Apps like Notion, Evernote, and Google Keep offer strong sharing and collaboration features, but Simplenote doesn't quite measure up. If you need to work in teams or share notes easily, you might feel a bit restricted. Another point to consider is its lack of integrations. Unlike more advanced tools like Notion, which can connect with tools like Slack and Google Drive, Simplenote is pretty standalone. If you need your note-taking app to connect with other tools in your workflow, you might feel limited. Lastly, if you're someone who values privacy, Simplenote offers end-to-end encryption. This means your notes are secure and can only be accessed by you, unlike some other apps that might sell or share your data with third parties. So, is Simplenote right for you? It's a great option for those looking for a simple, free, and fast note-taking app. However, if you need more advanced features like media embedding, collaboration, or integrations, you might want to check out other solutions. For a better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.